Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, please give me a like and sub if you like the content I provide. Today's sneaker unboxing comes as no surprise, as it's another Teddy Santis and New Balance sneaker, this time in the Raw Amethyst 990 V3 colorway. This would make my third sneaker from the 12 pack that released. I have the sea salts, the marble edge incense, and I really wanted to add these to the collection because it was one of the more vibrant 990 V3s that released. As we get into the sneaker, we have to talk about the insane quality that Teddy Santis always seems to use on these models. For the upper of the sneaker, the suede is hairy in this lilac purple color for the majority of the upper, with less hairy suede on the piping of the sneaker in gray colorway, finished off with blue mesh on the forefront and sides of the sneaker. I also have to make note of the New Balance logo in this light orange color. We also have an orange insole to give the sneaker an additional pop of color that ties well with the existing color of the sneaker. The midsole is done in this aged cream color and a hint of gray on the heel tag. Let me know down in the comments below which one was your favorite from the Teddy 12 pack. And what are your thoughts on the Raw Amethyst colorway? Do you like it, love it, hate it? Stay tuned for the on-for portion of the video, and until next week, thanks for watching, peace.